This brand is made in China and imported to North America by International Refrigeration Products. The Seabreeze 19 series offers basic single-zone heat pumps, while the Seabreeze Plus 24 series offers both single-zone and multi-zone premium heat pumps that have a 24-SEER efficiency and built-in Wi-Fi with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. They have coated coils for corrosion resistance and a unique intelligent dusting switch that reverses the airflow through the outdoor unit to blow dust and debris out of the unit. The Seabreeze Plus Peak Heat models have the ability to provide 100% of their heating capacity down to temperatures of 5 degrees. The units are relatively loud compared to some of the other brands, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.